Layering May 25th, 2018.
And subscribe to our video. Smash that like button.
Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today we're gonna take our the second cuttings of our fig tree. Our first cutting was on April 21st, 2018. Now we're gonna do the second one today, May 25th, 2018. Which one you wanna go first? You wanna hold this one?
That's good. You want me to hold it?
Yeah, can you hold it for me? Yay, got the first one. That was pretty quick. Second, you can put that down. Alright, it's gonna be the next one. Alright, cool. So here we go. So that's all.
So let us look at them now. We only watered these one time since April 21st. How you water these? Somebody had asked me. You actually just peel this back and just pour your water down the top, and it'll all drain down on its own naturally. But looking good.
Yep.
Let's see the other one.
And here we go. It's full of figs.
And we'll put the link to our other video, how we actually pot these and plant these. We won't double up on that, but you do know that all of these figs and things have to come off. So you want to take all of these figs off. Maybe leave one or two leaves here, one or two leaves here on this side. Same thing for both of these. Just leave a few leaves, but take all the fruit off. And go ahead on, get you some good potting soil and pot them. And
there you go.
We'll tell you. So today is May 25th. So we'll tell you next time. And look how many cuttings. Like you can actually start a fig world with just this one tree. Think of how many cuttings you can get off of these trees. So I see why now people are fig collectors, because you go to somebody's tree and just get a cutting and you're in business.
So we get home now. I'm unwrapping this because we're going it's gonna get dark, so I'm trying to hurry up and plant it. Oh look, y'all, it's beautiful. Wow, you see the roots bound out on them. See? Be careful because you get some ants on. Them ants living on this thing. I'm being careful. I don't want to pull the roots. Uh-oh. Should I take that one now? It's okay?
Yeah, you could just cut off that part, cut off that stem on the outside, and then cut it, and they'll come out.
Alright. So wish me luck. I hope that don't cut the like this. No. Here we go, Zion. Fingers crossed. Yay. There you go. Alright, let me see first before I cut it all the way. We don't wanna cut the roots here. So now I'm going to use the small one. The big one. Still needed the big one. Hala. Oh my. Yeah, I did it. I did it without. Cool. Now I'm going to take all these leaves off. I'm gonna make some hole to put the our fig tree, like put it over here. I wanna make it wide so I don't mess up the roots. Really, really, really wide. We don't have to mess up with the roots. All right, should be cool. I mean, it's like, it's good.
Let's pick up that soil level just a little bit. Start putting some more of that soil back down in there.
Look at the, they get ants over the inside. They get a baby, like, I mean, pick up a little bit. This much.
Yeah. Now we can fill it in.
Fill it in. Alright. Grow, 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 Miss Peat. Look, this one to grow all the way. The roots is grow all the way over here, even though the we didn't put that, like didn't put no aluminum foil on it.
No soil.
No soil. It just grow all the way halfway to this thing. And it's gonna continue and take this aluminum foil. Then we gonna prepare. We gonna pot. Wow.
Alright.
Good job.
Alright. So now get the small cutters and let's get those
trim it.
leaves off. Alright.
Beautiful to me.
Alright. So you wanna go help Mama plant that?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You hold this here.
This?
Yeah. There we go. It's beautiful, like young lady.
Drop it in that hole.
You can put it on the.
You see that hole Mama made?
Can get it?
And now we gonna put the
Dirt.
dirt in.
Yeah. Hold these.
We're gonna go in and fill that
We're
soil
gonna
up.
fill it in.
Okay, let's go. Make the smoothie now.
We'll make a smoothie later. And those not right. We can't make a smoothie with those.
What? Them?
Huh?
This?
Yeah, we can't make a smoothie with those.
What we
They
gonna
need
do
to
with
be
it?
purple. We could just put them like in a compost.
Over there? By the waste bag?
Yeah.
Layer in. May 25th, 2018.
And subscribe to our video. Smash that like button.